What's going on, YouTube? Donnie here to show you how to do a cabin filter on a 2019 Volkswagen Jetta. So this one's pretty simple. You come over here to the passenger side. I'm going to set the camera down. When you drop the glove box, you see this little clip right here. You actually just pull that on up. And same thing on the other side. Let's see if I can't pan that. So basically, if you do it at the same time, I hit the fucking camera. If you do it at the same time, this drops right on down and then up. That side's out of there. You just leave that still, but that just goes in the hole. And then you have the cover right here. I just gotta release these three tabs. Once you release these three tabs at the top, 1, 2, 3, you pull up on that, and the old cabin filter comes on out of there. And that's how it looks. I always take the new one and fit it up to the old one to make sure it's the same size, and it is. So you take the new one, slide it on in there, just like so. You take the cabin filter, you fit these little prongs back in the right place, and then just push that up. It's that simple. And then on here, you want to put that back into place and just gently lift up on the glove box. And that's how you install a cabin filter on a 2019 Volkswagen Jetta. If I helped you out, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you like, and thanks for stopping by and watching.